Hello everyone, this is Matt at Matt's Common Nerd Stuff. Alright, so I just got my CAT7 cables from Amazon. So, I want to see, how fast this will actually make my internet. Because I have CAT6 right now. And, just, want to make it a little faster. Because, who doesn't want to make it faster? Oh yeah, by the way, I do have an Asus. So, what is that? That is RTA C68R dual band. I got that connected. And also I have a DOCSIS 3.0. So, and it's by Motorola. The number is SB6120. Alright, so let's get in to opening it. Woot woot. Alright, damn, first impression, it looks like it came from Japan, Tokyo, either one, but pretty good packaging. Not bad at all. Pretty good. So damn, I just took it out of the bag, and like, look how freaking thin that is. That is it's a pretty thin cable. It's nice and flat. It's not none of the rounded stuff. It's got like a golden plate on it. It's pretty freaking dang cool. And I got the 6-foot cable, and it came with 2 of them. So pretty awesome. I do like that. So and it also says like you could bend it, and it won't hurt it whatsoever. So pretty nice. Alright, and also I did a screen capture of the speed I have now, and now I'm gonna plug this in, and I'll do another screen capture of the new CAT7 cable. So alright, let's check this out. And while this reboots and everything, if you guys want to know anything about more about this, just comment down below, and I will do my best to answer. And yeah, if you guys like it, hit a like. If you guys dislike it, please give a reason why, and I'll try to do my best to make the best for you guys to know what I know. I'm actually kind of disappointed. It didn't really make it faster. I mean, it's smoother, and like instead of the glitchiness, like where it's like whoa, whoa, okay, yeah, woo, woo. It's just it just smooths out where it's none of the glitches. I mean, that's good. I just was thinking it would make it a little faster. I mean, a little. But, I mean, I have Comcast and I'm paying for 75 megabytes per second and I'm getting 90. So, I mean, that's pretty damn good. So, yeah, I hope you guys liked this video and, if you guys were thinking like, oh, I'm just going to increase my speeds, it probably won't. So, but it will smooth out like the band, like where it doesn't just jump everywhere. It will smooth that out. Other than that, I mean, it's cool. It's a flat cable. That's freaking awesome. Instead of the round thing, because you can actually hide the cable better. Other than that, I think it's good. I think it's worth because I think I paid $9 or some odd cents. I will have that in the link below too. All right, so that's it. I hope you guys have a good one. See ya.